everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Brazil, and today we are making chicken stroganoff. This dish is served with white rice and potato sticks, also known as batata palha. I will provide you on the link down below my video on showing you exactly how to make it step by step. So definitely go check it out. There's really nothing to it. It's just a super fast and easy, recipe, and it's great on top of Brazilian hot dogs or our famous chicken salad, which is called salpicón. So definitely consider checking it out. Now let's go over our ingredients. So I have diced small onion. Mushrooms and corn are optional ingredients. I use half a cup for each. A whole cup of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, a handful of minced garlic, and table cream as well, not heavy cream, okay? And I'm also using green onions. So after I've washed my chicken with lime juice and vinegar, I season with salt and pepper and olive oil. And you can also cut your chicken into smaller cubes or strips like this. Okay, so considering the size of my chicken bites, I did cook it for about 8 minutes and transferred it onto a bowl. If you did it as smaller pieces or thinner, thin strips, I'd say 5 to 6 minutes. So at this point, you would add your onions and stir for about a minute, and the heat right now is on medium, okay? So stir for a minute. Now add your garlic and stir that for a minute. Okay, now add your mushrooms. If you're going to add your mushrooms, you would add it at this time. And stir for another minute. Okay, so I'm adding just a little bit of salt and black pepper. Now I'm adding my corn. And now the Worcestershire sauce. And the pan, as you might see, is starting to deglaze. Okay, and now the tomato sauce. And ketchup. And now the yellow mustard. Okay, so at this point, you do want to reduce your heat to a low. And please remember, once you're ready to put in your table cream, you have to, before you add your cream, taste for salt, see if it's good on salt. As you can see, I added just a little bit more. But once you put in your table cream, you have to continuously stir. So I stirred it for about 4 minutes. Okay, if bubbles start to create, you know, in the pan, within the table cream, the dish is not going to taste the same. So you have to continuously make sure that you're stirring and that you don't allow the bubbles to appear. And that's pretty much it. You stir until it's done, and you just add your green onions on the top. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe and will consider on subscribing to my channel. If you want to learn how to make batata palha, I have provided you with a link down below. It's only a 3-minute video. Well, that's it for today. Ciao for now.